So, I'll
Alright, y'all, let's take a look at that new Granite version 3. There's the front of the box. Definitely pick up one of these 3S lines before the end of the month because they're 50 bucks off. So do that, man. We're going to take a look at the back. So they got a thing of all the new stuff. You can always look at this online, you know. But it just shows they got some new stuff. I think one of the biggest upgrade is the radio, or one of them, because people said the other one sucked. But here's the side. There's the other side, the new radio, and then we're gonna get into the car. Boom! That beautiful green. I'm not a huge green fan, but I just wanted to get a green for some reason for this one. You can see how big it is in my little hand. It's not too big, but that's what she said, but it's good. There's that radio, the same as the Typhon and stuff. It's pretty good for me. It feels kind of cheap, but it works. Never cut out, never lagged or anything, so it's good so far. Here's a bag of goodies, shock spacers, and like the slipper clutch to adjust that. That's that red thing. I never did on the Typhon, so this one I'll probably leave it as is. But yeah, let's go to the side of the car next. Here we go. Boom. So you can see the wheels are pretty big. The only bad side is the 14mm hex. From what I hear, it's hard to get tires for them and stuff because that 14. So you're going to want to get like some adapters for like the 12mm or 17, which I'll probably do 17 in the future, but after these wear out. Here's the body, the same clips, should be the same clips as the Typhon. They are a pain to get out. I wish like the back piece was tipped up a little bit, but there's the underside of the body. So a lot of the same stuff as that Typhon 3S, but this has a wheelie bar, so that's pretty cool. The IC5 connector, I like it so far. I mean, it works. That's good. It's good you got the fan on the motor and the ESC. So that's really good. You got the front bumper, shocks. I always love new shocks, man. Because every time I try to refill it, like which I did with the Typhon right now, I broke one and I never get it good. I don't know. But yeah, I love new shocks. When they're filled good. But there's the other side, plastic, which I don't mind too much. I mean, it's cut cost, it's still pretty durable. I don't send it to the moon like that one dude on YouTube, whatever his name is, Kevin Tailbot or whatever the hell. But yeah, man, the good drivetrain. This doesn't have like that centerpiece like the Typhon has, but what the heck can you do? And it's hard to get to the pinion gear and all that crap, but yeah. So I didn't even run it yet. And I was testing the steering and this thing is hitting it. Like, Arrma, what are you guys doing now? So it looks like you get to loosen up these two, and this one kind of in the middle, and it kind of raises up this piece. I wish I had a Dremel, but I don't know what they did. I think if I loosen it up, it might be okay, but I'm gonna try to shave some of this off if I can, because you can see it sticks up. I don't know. But Arrma, come on. Alright guys, so I used trusty razor blade, and we cut some, so I'm gonna put it back together and let's see how it is. I'm gonna screw it tight, you know, how it came, and we'll see what it looks like. Perfect. So yeah, we're about to run this stock. Man, can't wait. Alright, we're finally about to run this. Well, almost. Something nasty had to happen to me on the walk there. But yeah. Stepped in a big pile of dog shit. Fuck. Alright, here we go. Hopefully there's not as many cars. It's about 10 a.m. Friday. Trying to get it straight. See, I can already tell it's different than the Typhon, man. But also make sure like all the steering and stuff's right before you go out. Because when I came, or before I came, like the throttle was only at the 50% and all that stuff. But yeah, everything's stock here, which is probably how I'll leave it. So yeah, it feels way different. Like it's on air or something. Yeah, wait, there's always still a bunch of shit, a bunch of cars, man. But I can't do nothing. It drives straight. Pretty straight. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this gearing. This is just one you kind of mess around, you know. But yeah, my Typhon needs repair, so I probably can't take it out for a couple days. I was just at the hobby shop to get this, so the wife might not want to go back today. But yeah, I can see the back wants to keep lifting up. Yeah, she's still going 40 some, I think. That's fast enough. that those tires start ballooning though. The servo seems pretty good. I mean, a lot of people don't like the stock servos, but I don't really care. If they work, they work. I'm not racing on a track, so I don't need it fast. Plus, I've never put a servo in. So. Boom. See, that's the one thing too. The car's coming out of the alley. We got a little dog over there. But you can kind of hear it ticking. I don't know if that's their mesh too tight. I don't know. But yeah, it doesn't seem to cog too much. Like the Typhon. Because I got the gearing high, so it kind of cogs up. Alright, that'll be it for this one, man. It is pretty fun. That's why I got this car, just to be like a fun car. Alright guys, peace.